What's up? Welcome to Pinoy Techman. So today we're gonna unbox this Ultra Human and do a quick review. So this is Ultra Human Air. It's a smart ring. So before you can purchase, they will send you a size fitting. So this is the ring. You can see it. So there's the sensor will be here under. You can see the sensor. I don't know if you can see it. Here, there's a sensor. So the ring is coated under by a transparent silicone. So this is the ring. Actually, it's light. It's titanium. Here, you can see here the sensor. That's the sensor. There. So there's one sensor. So when you put it in your ring, it should be under. Sensor should be under. So what's the use of this? I've been trying this for months. It's called the Ultra Human Air. The factory is in Texas now, Dallas, Texas. So it's some of the features are there's a movement. It's like a smartwatch, steps, activity, and then active hours. Then you can see there's a sleep index, quality of sleep. So same as the smartwatches. So the efficiency, there's also temperature, rasoness, consistency, total sleep, and a HR drop. And also there's a recovery here, recovery score. So it will gauge how you recover in a day based on the movement and resting heart rate, skin temperature, and many more. And there's also a stimulant window where you can drink coffee and not restriction. It will tell you. And also a body clock. It will tell you when it's time to sleep or not for your body circadian rhythm. So there's a lot of new function in this right now. Many more function. This is some of the specs. It's titanium, so it's really light and strong. It weighs 3.6 to 4.7 grams depending on the ring size. So battery power is 4 to 6 days, but I get like 4 to 5 days per full charge. So it's also waterproof. Okay, so these are the colors of the ring. You can see it. There's 5 kinds. So I choose the matte gray. There's also a charger, a ring charger. This is the ring charger, USB-C. So you just put the ring on top like this, then it will charge the ring. So what else? So sleep movement, skin tracking, water resistant, 100 meters, as light as 2.5 grams, heart monitoring, heart rate variability, and wireless charging, and many more. So they're coming with new apps that you can use. So this is a good ring. I think it's better than the O-ring. I hope you like the review and unboxing of this Ultra Human smart ring, Ultra Human Air. So please like and subscribe for more gadget reviews. Thank you for watching Pinoy Techman.